I too want to use the words which a native speaker uses. But how and where? Yes, here are some of the words which can be useful for your speaking and writing skills.
Let's learn Phraseology to 3 with Bin and Shah.
Okay, let's begin from Topsy Turvy. Topsy Turvy means a state of utter confusion. Oops, what to do, not to do. Everything in my life topsy turvy. Everything is going ups and down. In such a situation, if you are, then you are using this word topsy turvy. It's a topsy turvy time. Or my life is full of topsy turvy. Now, second one, kith and kins, the people who are around us, who are our own relatives. Yes, I love whenever I go to our kith and kin's home, I carry something for them. Okay, now let's talk about third one, hustle and bustle. Means a large amount of activity, or let's say work, which is done in the noisy environment. I love the hustle and bustle of the supermarket. We need a break from the hustle and bustle of our day-to-day life. Fourth one, boon and a bane. Something that can represent both a benefit and a hindrance. For example, technology can be a boon and bane. It can help bring the people together while simultaneously creating social disconnections. Fifth one, fertile, not futile. It means capable, incapable. In the case of doing something and its result. Let's say it's fertile, not futile. Another example we can see, his fertile mind gave the birth of futile result. Sixth one, happy-go-lucky. It means everything is going as per one's wish. Easygoing, carefree, who is not connected with the futures, what may be next. This sort of fellow. As we are there to explain, we use happy-go-lucky. For example, he seems happy-go-lucky sort of fellow, ready to take the things as he finds. Okay, seventh one now. Hunky-dory. Free of problem, trouble. Everything going well. It means everything is hunky-dory. I don't like the people who lose their temper like that and they say finally, yeah, it's all hunky-dory. Now, eighth ones, all ears. It means you are keen interested, a bit. Yeah, tell me, I'm all ears. It means I'm putting my ears. I'm listening to you, it means. Yeah, ninth, I mean heart to heart. It means we are much more closer at the bottom of someone's heart. Yeah, I have a heart to heart talk with her. Yes, I have heart to heart connections with her. No, bite a bullet. It doesn't mean that you are biting a bullet. It means to face the problem, difficult situations with courage and determination. Yes, I afraid of surgery, but I know I need to bite a bullet. It means here the speaker is willing to say that you need to face the problem, although it is so much challenging and difficult.